Coming up after this.
しかし車への負担が大きくなったことで新たな問題発生。
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thank you for all of the support on the first part. Hopefully that intro grabbed your attention and got you excited for the next part of this one. So what we're going to do is just jump straight into it. Can you just imagine he just smashes the car immediately? Just a complete write-off with a big rip. I actually wrote down the things here. So it's got a HKS turbo they spoke about earlier, 550cc injectors, Z32 airflow meter, which they actually use them now, and this is the 5 Zigen front pipe, and it's like a splitter, as well as the Trust, which is known as Grady overseas muffler. And then here it's speaking as well about they have arc intercooler, blow-off valve, Tomei ECU, Tomei technical track LSD, Akira Office Air Fork K, Imaju C2 brake pad, as well as the Modex KS05 8J16 plus 32 rims, and the BS Potenza RE540S 225/45 R16 tires. Nice color. Yeah, I mean, it's got like 300-ish horsepower already, and the boost comes on pretty fast too. I don't agree with that at all. It's never too fast. It's never fast enough. It needs more speed. Not bad. Damn, look at the wobble on the exhaust. Hold on, let's go back a bit on that one. He's smashing it. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Full lock. Yeah, I mean, for a lot of people who haven't driven like older 90s JDM cars, especially 180SXs with like old style third-party turbos, they just have a ton of lag and then they come on like BAM, as he spoke about. Damn, wish my car tuner worked that fast. 40 horsepower from a cam? Oh my gosh. Damn, look at that. Oh my gosh, yeah, 46 horsepower, 4 kilograms. Wow, alright. Drift camshafts, pretty nice.
7000くらいまで引っ張ると4000くらいまで落ち込んでしまうと思うんですけど、そのあたりで約トルクで4キロも性能差が出てます。カムの6000回転とカムを変えた時の7000回転が同じトルクということは、同じ回転数というか同じトルクのところまで 使った場合に約1000回転のパワーバンドの差が、高回転でまずあると相当やっぱりパワーバンドから外れずに、いい走りができるんじゃないかなと思います。
Alright, I'm excited to see it.
透明パードのコンピューターはセッティング変更なしで OK だった。さて作業の方はどうか。目標タイムは40分って言ってたけど。
Alright, 40 minutes. In the chat, how long do you think it's going to take?
あれボンネットを閉めた。
終了。素晴らしい記録24分。新記録でございます。素晴らしい。
24 minutes? That seems ridiculously fast. I don't know. Tell me in the comments if you could change out a camshaft in 24 minutes.
お疲れ様でございました。でも肝心なのはチューニングの効果でございます。では早速チェックしてみましょう。
I tried to find some information about that girl, but she probably just dropped off the universe. I can't find anything about her anymore. So I don't know. If anyone who wants to start a fan club for her, unfortunately you won't be able to.
まずは1号タービンに変わったヤシオファクトリーからその違いをチェック。
Sounds great. Yeah, he's smashing it. Sucking in air like a drowning man. Alright. Okay. Sounds nice.
7200シフトだったノーマルタービンに比べ上までパワーが使えるようになった。
There you go, that's the Yashio factory special. Power from 3000 all the way to 7800 perfectly.
またドリドリが心配していたタイヤとのマッチングも心配なし。
Ooh.
ようになった。またドリドリが心配していたタイヤとのマッチングも心配なし。しかし車への負担が大きくなったことで新たな問題発生。
Oh! Almost bend it.
ハンドリングがなんかゴムブシが垂れてるって感じかな。いやー面白いよこれ。1号のタービンを入れましょう皆さん。大正解。
ラップタイムは1秒アップ。
Wow, 1 second, alright.
では検証。バックストレートでのタコメーターの動きをチェックしてみると3速での回転の上がり方が明らかに速くなりシフトは7800回転4速でのトップスピードの差は300回転およそ5キロの違いが出た。
There you go, 5 kilos of torque. And he's more usable power band across until the max revs. That's great.
続いてドリカムを入れたオートランド号のアタック。
Oh!
エンジンのレスポンス良くなったね。
Alright.
もう
Mm.
つけ上がりはいいかもしんない。
Do it for the boys! Ooh! Hoo, hoo.
ああいいよいいいいいいいい。これはいいかもしんない。絶対いいよこれ。
346馬力もあっちゃ S タイヤといえど225じゃ暴れ馬って感じ。でもそういうのうまいんだよなドリドリは。
He is a great driver.
バンと吹けるよね。
It's like a bang and you indulge yourself with boost.
もうこれは感じられる。いいよ。
I love that. The turbo flutter sounds great.
よくできてるこのカム。グッドですよ皆さんこれ。これいいものポンポン出てくるね。こういうのが出てくるってのは嬉しいよね。
Damn, 1 minute 4 seconds. Oh, 1 minute 397. That's crazy.
では同じようにタコメーターでチェックしてみるとこちらも3速の動きでわかる。ドリカムの3速はあっという
Oh
間。
my gosh, look at the way it builds speed.
4速で7200回転ってことは200キロ近く出てるってこと。速い。
Wow. Well, that was a great video. I enjoyed it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot too. I've got more kind of stuff like that coming. Also, thank you so much for 150 subscribers and all the people on Reddit. It's been absolutely great, the response, and like I said, please post on my subreddit, which I will put the link here and in the description. And if you have any videos, just post it and I'll get around to it. But yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And shout out to Gudetama, the best egg in the world.